Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Investor More, standing outside rental property number 16. This is the last single family rental I bought back in 2015. After that, I started buying commercial properties because prices got so high in Colorado. This one we bought for, I think it was $91,000, and we're gonna be listing it for over $200,000. So we'll talk about that. And it's been a decent rental, but we did have some issues that you can see in before videos with cockroaches, bed bugs, and some tenants who did not take the best care of it. So we'll show all of that. And of course, make sure you check out investormore.com with more information on our flips, rentals, being an agent, and all kinds of other advice videos. We have 13 flips going right now, 22 total rentals that have about 147,000 square feet when you count our commercial properties. All right, so this property, like I said, when I bought it, it wasn't in bad shape. We haven't had to do too much work to it over the years, but we had the same tenants in here for about 4 years, and they always paid rent. I don't think they were ever late, but they did not keep it very clean, did not do a very good job of maintaining it. So there were a few holes in the walls that we patched. We painted everything, put in new flooring, and had to have it treated for bed bugs and cockroaches. So they superheated the property, got rid of all of those. So that's unfortunately part of having rentals, but it wasn't the end of the world because, like I said, I bought it for $91,000. We had it rented for about $12.50 the entire time I had it. We put minimal work into it when I bought it, and we're going to be listing it somewhere between $215 and $230. We shall see. This kitchen, we just put in brand new kitchen. We probably spent about $15,000 on this. Mostly, the kitchen was big, the flooring and the paint. And then there's one bedroom down here, 2 bedrooms upstairs. So you can see we did lighter walls with darker trim. That's because that's how the paint was before. It had really dark trim. It's just much easier to go dark over dark than try and paint dark trim a light color. There's the little half bath right there that is nice to have because this house was built in 1885. So it most likely did not have bathrooms when it was built. Actually, we can almost guarantee it did not have bathrooms. So that was an add-on at some point in its life, as well as the bathroom up here. And a lot of these old 2-stories like this, you will see, one bathroom on the main floor, one bathroom upstairs, even though you have bedrooms on both floors. So it is nice to have a bathroom on each floor. Well, here is one of the other bedrooms. And we added that closet right there. That just kind of angled down to the wall and was open, as you can see over here, kind of like that wall did. And so we added the closet because it used to have a door right there that shared a closet with the other bedroom. So we covered that up, made this pretty good sized bedroom with a much bigger closet now. And you can see it. And this house, like I said, some of you in other markets may think it's crazy. It goes for 200-some thousand. Other people in other markets might think that's a complete bargain, depending on where you live. But where we're at here, northern Colorado, it is really hard to find anything somewhat decent for less than $250,000. So it should sell quickly. It should be fine. Our biggest worry is that it's really, really old, and it does have some uneven floors. It is not, perfectly level. And here is the closet I was talking about before that was shared with that other room. There's just a door right there. All right, so the other bathroom is up here. It was pretty gnarly when we first got in here, so it looks a little better. It's not amazing, but again, this house is kind of, starter home, most affordable, nice house you can get. So we didn't go overboard with doing all new tile and spending a bunch of money on it. Right, so that is the upstairs. it back down. So I also did some videos before asking on whether we should do a 1031 exchange or just sell this property. A lot of people have asked me why I don't keep renting it. Well, right now market rent on this property is probably $1,300, maybe $1,400. There's the beautiful dungeon down there that I did show before. So if you want to see the murder room in the basement, it's down there. And renting a $215,000 to $230,000 property for $1,300 or $1,400 a month is not very profitable. You pretty much, if you're buying that new, would lose money on it. Since I already have it and paid $91,000, I'm still making money on it based on my investment, but I have a lot of equity tied up that I could be using for something else. So my decision was to sell it and either do a 1031 exchange and buy another commercial rental, which I have been doing lately, or just sell it, pay the taxes, and use that money without having to be in a rush to do a 1031 exchange. And I think right now my choice is just to sell it, move on, and not worry about the 1031 exchange and the restrictions that places on you. I do have a video on that goes over all of that too. If you're interested, just search Invest for More and 1031. Of course, the other consideration, I'll walk around the side here, is we're in the middle of the coronavirus scare, pandemic. So do we list it now or do we wait? And my thoughts are our market is still going very strong. There's still houses being listed. Real estate is an essential activity in Colorado, so agents are allowed to show properties. Real estate activities can be done, and properties are still going under contract and selling. We have not seen a decrease in prices yet. Obviously, we're just into this, so that could change, but I don't think prices are going to increase from what they are right now. But it's possible if this drags on for a very long time, they could decrease. So really, I think it makes sense to list it now, get it sold, and then if for some reason it doesn't sell or we have problems selling it, it's not the end of the world to just hang on to it for a little while. But most likely we'll get it sold, we'll get it under contract, and if prices do go down, great. If they stay the same, great. I really don't think they're gonna go up. So that's the plan for right now. We will get it up for sale. Nikki is planning to stage it. So we have another house, a farmhouse that's selling. She's gonna take the staging furniture from that, put it in here. So it will be staged and we'll get that done pretty soon, get it on the market and see what happens. All right, we'll let you guys know how it goes, if it goes under contract right away, what we end up listing it for. And then we have many more videos on our other flips as well coming up, other rentals, and of course, some of the advice stuff. So guys, if you guys have any suggestions, any ideas for new videos, let me know, leave a comment, love seeing those, love the likes, love the subscriptions, and we'll be back with more soon.